In the heart of Columbia, Tennessee, home projects are a breeze with Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC. Whether spring cleaning, decluttering, attic cleanouts, or a significant home renovation, our residential dumpster rental in Columbia, Tennessee, makes waste management simple and affordable. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC, we understand your needs. Our variety of dumpster sizes ensures the right fit for your project. Our dumpsters are designed for convenience, providing more space while occupying less room in your project area. With us, you're not just renting a dumpster, you're gaining a partner dedicated to making your home project as efficient and stress-free as possible. Our commitment to exceptional service and unbeatable prices means you can focus on your project, knowing that waste management is in expert hands. Booking is a breeze with our user-friendly online system. Choose your size, book your dates, and we'll do the rest. It's that simple. Are you ready to start your next project? Call us at 615-290-2029 or visit www.diydumpsterstn.com to book your dumpster today. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC is your go-to for residential dumpster rental in Columbia, Tennessee. Book now and make your next home project a success. Reliable, cost-effective, and right on schedule. That's the Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC promise.